This, my friends, is a Hyundai HYCH1400 with a big beastie 420cc engine. So, what do we think of this big beastie? We know it's got a 420cc 14 horsepower engine and it can chug. It's got the general chute and it's got the 102mm chute, which is a lot more than most, I must say. The only thing is here with this long chute, it's obviously long straight pieces of wood only. So basically it ate everything we gave it. And we fed it a lot. One or two little niggles here and there. The first one being the guards on the chute. Before we get to that, actually, the chute itself, the angle of the chute means that you can only get a bag underneath because it all comes out at the bottom. I know some of the other models have got the swan neck. So you can dump into a barrow or a bag that's at manageable height. So this is a bit of an issue because it's at the base. So basically you have to tilt it back on the wheels, get a ton bag underneath and then get it into the ton bag that way. But there's a lot of heaving and toing and froing and pulling about. But as I say, it's a bit of a monster. And it devoured anything we put in her. I had one clog up. I had to take the main feeder trough off and unclog it. But that was only one clog. You have this guard that covers the exit area. Now I can understand why the guard's there for safety reasons, but you've also got an inner guard, which is a curved one which goes around the blade mechanism, and that's got sort of holes that sort of size, so it's good for the stuff that's chipped up that size, but sometimes you get the odd thin stick, etc., falls through. That clogs up the first grill, and then you got this grill as well that gets clogged up. So I had to take that grill off to let some freer flow here, because it can then back up, and then you got major issues. So all in all, we like it. Like most machines, you have to get used to the little tweaks here and there that you have to do to make it work more efficiently for each personal use. But all in all, it's a well-made rustic beastie, and the addition of this 102mm, I think, is a game changer. So it's a thumbs up from us.